Self-diagnose. Choose here. Pass. Then okay. List don't do it. List is not necessary for you. So that's okay. Diagnose. What?
配置，配置，
And this config. When do you use this? It's when you config this keyboard. It's 83 keys. So start by key. So
，learn start learning
start learning. 怎么会是这么多天？Press here. So start learning the keyboard. And so when you have something else to do, you want to close the laptop, close the computer, and not answer you. So you can break it. So it will answer you. Yeah.